Hello, and welcome back to Beauty and the Basics, where we discuss techniques, routines, and everything in between to help you achieve your beauty goals. I am Marche, and today I'm sharing with you my current favorite hair care products as a straight natural. All the products in this video will be linked down below in the description box, just in case you're interested. So let's get into it. So the first product I have is this Joico Defy Damage Detox Shampoo. I use this to remove any product buildup anytime that I do actually use heavier products or if I have a oil buildup on my scalp. This is also helpful if you have hard water like I do. It helps to remove the minerals out of your hair so that your other moisturizing ingredients can penetrate more deeply. So really like this. Next, I have the Joico Moisture Recovery Treatment Balm. I have been using this for years. It's super moisturizing, nice and thick, great for all hair types. I used this when I was relaxed, and I also use it now that I'm natural. My cousin, who has always been natural, has used this and really loved it. A little goes a long way, and it's just a great treatment balm. They have a regular conditioner, and then this would be considered like the mask. So I love using this. The next product I have is the Kenra Daily Provision Leave-In Conditioner. This is a spray leave-in, which is why I really liked it, and it has replaced my previous leave-in, which was a serum. If you don't know, spray leave-in conditioners or spray products in general are very lightweight, but they can also have a lot of benefits. This one has moisture, hydration, it detangles, and adds shine to your hair. And like I said, it's super lightweight, which I really like. It's multi-purpose, multiple benefits, and you just can't get any better with that. It's especially as a straight natural, you want as many lightweight products so that it doesn't weigh your hair down. The next product I have is this Joico Heat Hero Glossing Thermal Protector. This is your heat protection from flat irons, curling irons, things of that nature. The leave-in conditioner that I showed you protects from the blow dryer, but when I'm doing silk presses or flat iron curling my hair, you need something a little bit stronger if you're going to come in contact with heated tools. And that's what I use this for. I randomly picked this up just to try it out, and I have been obsessed ever since. This also has hold in it, which I really like. So when I straighten my hair like pin straight like it is now, this helps to hold the hair. Like if I were to put my hair up in a clip or something, I find that when I use this, my hair resists denting or bending or anything like that, especially when my hair is straight. It's also very lightweight. It's an aerosol, so it's not like a, regular spray. So it distributes really well. It's very lightweight. Like I said, it doesn't weigh your hair down like some other products will, because you do need a good amount in order to get that protection. And she has become probably my newest obsession as far as hair care. Next is this oldie but goodie, the Moroccan oil treatment. Love this stuff. I have been using this for years, and I always go back and repurchase at some point. This is a hair serum, and it does penetrate the hair shaft. So typically hair oils sit on the outside of the hair, and hair serums will penetrate and actually moisturize the hair, which is what this does. I love using this right after I get done flat ironing. I use just a little bit to replenish the moisture and nutrition in my hair after styling, especially after heat styling. A little does go a long way. It spreads very nicely, and like I said, it does absorb into the hair. It doesn't just sit on top of the hair. And I have thick, coarse hair, so it works just fine for me. But if you have thinner hair, you may want to opt for the light version because this one can be a little too thick if you have thin or fine hair. Next, I have this Pantene Flexible Hold hairspray. I got this specifically because it is alcohol free. A lot of hair products, especially hairsprays, come with denatured alcohol in them, and denatured alcohol can really dry out the hair and even the scalp if it comes in contact with your scalp. So I really like this because it is alcohol free. I use it to tame flyaways, like spray it on top, and I also use it for my edges, I'll just spray some on like a boar bristle brush and just sweep my edges down. I'm not really a swoopty swoop kind of girl, you know. I just want them straight. I just want them straight and cute, and I use this for that. This is hold level 3, which is a flexible hold. So like I put this on my hair back on Tuesday. It is now Thursday, and as you can see, my hair is still relatively straight. It has not curled up to my original curl pattern, but I have not added any more to my hair except for on Tuesday. And you can see my edges are still decent. And then the last product that I have is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. Now I have the minis. I got them for free from Sephora. Randomly they were giving them out, so I have a multiple of these and I've just been using them ever since. But once I run out, I will be getting the big bottle. I use this oil every day on my ends. So in the morning when I wake up, if my hair is straight or if my hair is going to be down that day, I will take just 2 or 3 drops of this, not a lot at all. 2 or 3 drops of this, put it on my hands and spread it on my hair, the length of my hair. So basically from my ears down and starting at the ends and working my way up. And like I said, if I'm going to have my hair down for the day, I want to have some level of protection when my hair is rubbing against my clothes, or if I lay my head back on a pillow, on the couch, or on a chair, anything like that. So I use this more so as a protective measure during the day because I'm not using that much and I'm not putting it close to the roots of my hair. My hair doesn't get super oily or anything like that. It is also very, very lightweight and it soaks right into the hair beautifully and it adds shine. So really like that as well. So I hope this video helps you to take your hair to the next level and helps you to achieve your beauty goals.